Welcome to JH. Today we're covering green screen removal in DaVinci Resolve. Start by dragging your green screen footage into the project. To begin the keying process, switch to the Color tab and position your playhead. Select the HSL qualifier icon and make sure the eyedropper is active. Then click on the green background. Below, adjust the in/out ratio all the way to the left to reach -100. Now, right-click in the node window to add alpha output and connect the blue square to the blue circle. If your subject is hidden instead of the background, click the reverse icon. If any green remains, use the plus eyedropper to select those spots. To eliminate harsh outlines, go to the blur radius and increase the value. I prefer a slight feather for a natural look. Use the plus feather tool on your subject to further smooth the edges. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.